So, you're driving in heavy highway traffic and the guy in front of you who's talking away on his cell phone doesn't pay any attention to all the brake lights going on in front of him. He finally jams on the brakes at the last second. You come to a screeching stop and nearly crash into the back. Now you know why you want a car with superior braking distance.
Motor Trend put the Aveo and the Civic to a head-to-head braking test. When tested with anti-lock brakes, results revealed that the Aveo's stopping distance was a full 6 feet shorter than the Civic's when decelerating from 60 miles per hour to a full stop. Aveo's stopping distance was 128 feet. Civic's stopping distance was 134 feet.